Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can access your project file history in Figma. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to figma.com and log in to your Figma account. Once logged in, from your main dashboard, go to Drafts and select the file that you want to look the project file history. Let's say I'm going to click here on this project. Now, where should we go? Go to the left corner, and as you can see right here on the title of your project, you would see this arrow. And then once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Now, we're going to click on Show Version History. And then, from the right corner, we will see all the changes or the history of this entire project. Do keep in mind that if you're only using the free version of Figma, you can only go back past 30 days. But if you upgrade to a professional plan, you can view the entire history no matter how long it took. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!